With Diwali just around the corner, what better way to give your loved ones something special which you make from your hands? Hi, this is me, Hesha Chima, and today I've got with me none other than home baker Mona Sighat. Hi, Mona.
Hi, how are you?
Very well, how are you?
Fine, good.
And today with Mona, we're going to be making chocolate truffle cake jars with her. So
Yes,
we're
right.
super excited about that. So Mona, before we get into making it, I want to ask you a little bit about your journey, if you can actually take us through how you became a home baker.
Yeah, sure. I'll just share with everyone. Hi, this is Mona Sighat from Sweet Expressions. I'm a home baker and I like to make different types of cake. Like I am into healthy cakes, chocolate cakes, buttercream cakes, cake jars, brownies, and yeah, I like to experiment with different flavors, different frosting. I like to cook everything at home. So I tried my hands with lot of trial and error. I came up with few baking cakes and all, and 8 years back I think I served for a year to people around me, and for some reason, you know, my kids were small, I could not continue my passion. So in this lockdown, again, like, you know, my daughter's birthday came up, and as you know, all the shops were closed.
Yeah.
And initially, you know, things were not available. So I just again opened my dead baking store, and that's how I started my journey. We are starting with the recipe chocolate cake. Okay, so first we have to sieve all the ingredients. This is maida, this is castor sugar, this is cocoa powder, this is baking soda and salt. That's it. This is the dry ingredients. You have to take a 6-inch tin, line up with the parchment paper, and just pour the entire batter into the tin. Now we'll go to the wet ingredients. This is milk, this is oil, this is vinegar. Okay, once we are done with this, we have to put this in the oven, preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. You have to keep checking, you know. Just insert a toothpick inside, and if it comes out clean, that means your cake is ready. And once it is out, just let it come to the room temperature and then try to demold it. Never take it hot. It will break the cake.
Yeah, so no like hasty,
Yeah.
a lot of patience is required.
Yeah.
Cool, so let's just go and put it in the preheated
we'll do
oven.
that.
So we've actually gone ahead and left it in the oven to bake. So what are we doing now while it's baking?
Yeah, while it's baking, we are going to make the chocolate ganache. It's super easy again, it's nothing rocket science. So I always use this Mode dark chocolate D45, which is a pure chocolate. Okay, we are going to take this and we are going to use this cream. We are just going to mix these two ingredients. Okay, it's going to be a ratio of 200 and 100. 200 chocolate and 100 cream.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's start.
Okay, let's go for it.
So we have to take this 200 gram of cream. I'm just going to warm it in the microwave in 30 seconds of interval. See to it that it's not boiling, it should be just warm. So I have warmed the cream. I'm going to add on these chocolates. We have to wait for a couple of minutes, like 2 minutes. Let it sit the cream inside, and after 2 minutes we just give a stir, quick stir. So the cake is ready here, and I have made this ganache. Since we had to do it right now, I had already prepared one batch of ganache. So I'm going to give you the demo how to place it in the cake jar.
So did you also refrigerate it to get this kind of consistency that we have here?
Yeah. Because that is quite runny, so we want little stiff, like, you know, little thick. See, it's not coming easily.
Yeah.
So we have to refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours.
Okay.
And then again get it back and get it in the room temperature, at room temperature.
Okay.
And then it's ready to go. You can work with it.
Okay, great. Let's just do the other mixing part of it now.
Okay. So we have this cake. So I'm going to pipe this ganache in this piping bag.
Okay.
And this is something desi मैंने खुद का घर पे नुस्खा निकाला है, because whenever I put it in that glass, the cream used to flow here and there, and my hands used to get dirty. So what I do, I put in a nozzle over here, just like that, spread the piping bag like that. Just put the ganache inside. Okay. Just remove this.
Okay.
Everything is done. Just push and just twist. You have to twist.
Okay.
Okay, and this is ready to go.
Oh wow.
Yeah. So now we'll start placing this.
Okay.
It's very simple. This is the jar. Okay, we're just going to open this. I think even you try.
Okay, great. Let's do it.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
just hope I don't make a mess out of it.
No, not at all. It is super easy. Don't worry at all.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you. So what are you gonna do now?
Yeah, just take a spoon. Okay. Take the cake. Just 1, 2. Okay.
Okay.
Do that.
So 1 and 2.
Just press it lightly down inside. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yes. And I've made this sugar water, 50 gram of sugar.
Okay.
Just let it cool down. Just have to pour this because it will remain moist. Otherwise, it's going to dry out.
Okay.
Okay. Just like that. Yeah.
Like just a little
Yeah. That's all.
bit? Okay.
The second step is take the piping bag. Please
Okay.
take.
Wow.
Okay.
I'll start from here.
One hand here.
Okay.
This should not. Otherwise, if you press, it will ooze out from the other hand.
Okay, so one hand here and now go.
It's okay.
Ah,
It's okay. It's okay. Doing a great job.
messing it up.
No, it's good. Pretty good. Now, again, the second layer. You have to again do this. 1, 2.
Okay.
Okay? Do again.
And one more.
Yes.
Mine is going to look like a shabby version
No,
of
not
this.
at all. And then, just again.
Okay.
Okay? I just pushed it out. You just have to twist this. Keep your hand here, here, so it will not ooze out.
Okay.
Okay?
I think now I want you to make this mine, so I think it's a little prettier.
Okay. So, just take from the corner of the glass outside, come inside, and get a good swirl. Okay?
Got it.
I'll continue because the filling was not right. This is my jar. See, just go like that, swirl, and here you go.
Wow.
Okay, and you can add any toppings.
And it's ready.
Yeah, it's ready.
Mine is also ready.
Why don't you try?
Of course, I was waiting for this moment that you offer me to try it. Oh God,
Please
so
go ahead.
tempting. Okay, I'm gonna try the one which I made. I made.
It's going to be good. You've done a pretty job.
Yeah, like I've never done this before. It's my first, so. It's really yummy.
Thank you.
It's really yummy. And it's dark chocolate. But does this also have egg?
No, I'm specialized in only eggless. I don't bake anything with egg because in Mumbai especially, there are so many today, they don't prefer eggs
Yeah.
because it gets a dirty smell also sometimes.
Yeah.
So all my bakes are eggless.
Oh, that's perfect. So not only for Diwali, for all festivals, you
Yeah,
know, when there are
right.
certain restrictions for non-veg, I think you're the go-to person
Yeah.
for this because these are all eggless. But it's still so yummy even without egg. Oh my god.
Thank you so much.
I love it.
If you want to gift your loved ones, you can just do the same process what I did. You can put nice, cool, cute ribbons like that, and you can gift your loved ones. This is the way you can. Don't you feel it's cute?
Yeah,
Yeah?
It's really cute. Yeah, like the packaging and everything. It makes it a great gift. And of course, for those who are coming home, you can just serve them as is.
Yeah,
like that
yeah.
only.
This is one more way. You get all these are available.
Yeah.
And you can do this packaging and you can gift your loved ones like that.
That too with so much love because
Yeah.
it's made by like our own hands and
Yes.
packaged and everything also by ourselves. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Mona, thank you so much for doing this for us.
Thank you.
It was amazing. From both our ends, we wish you all a very happy Diwali. And if you guys like this video, make sure that you drop us a comment. If you try out Mona's recipe, do let us know for sure in the comments below. And we'll see you guys super soon. Bye.
Bye.